Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. Our ECS project is going on and now we are on step number 3.2, create ECR repository. As you know that ECR is really playing most important role in this particular project. Why? Because we have our image in the build machine. We have EC2 instance, Docker install inside this, and we have created our Docker image inside this. Now we have this image inside our build machine. If you look at over here, this image is available into build machine, right? Now I cannot send this image directly from build machine to ECS. I have to use service called ECR. ECR is actually Elastic Container Registry, in which we can create repository and it is going to store all the images. Now if you want to use ECR, we have to create repository inside ECR. And how we can do this, I'm going to explain you in this video. So let's start. Okay, so what is our planning? We have this image into the build machine. We have to create ECR repository. We are going to create this repository inside ECR. Once we have our repository ready, we will push the image from build machine to ECR. Right? This is what we want to set up. Now, first of all, I have to create repository. So I am inside ECR console and I am going to create new repository. I don't have any repository right now. Keep this in mind here. When we are creating repository in ECR, we have one option only. It is going to create private repository. Alternative of ECR is you can use Docker Hub. Now Docker Hub provides us two types of options. You can go with the public repository and private. But ECR supports only private, right? Now I am creating new private repository and we have to provide name of the repository. Here in this particular mind map, I have provided you all the details, step-by-step details, right? So here I am going to give same name for the repository as I have in the mind map. I also request you that whenever you are going to perform labs by watching videos, provide same name what I am using. Why? Because right now we are creating this repository. In upcoming step, when we will push image into this repository, we will use same name of the repository. And we have to do this with the command. Now, if you change this name here, in upcoming steps, when you upload the image, you have to change the name as well. And if you need to change the name, copy paste may not work properly, right? Because you have to change name every time. And this will create confusion for you. So if you use same name as my name, it will be very comfortable and you can concentrate on a specific topic. Once you complete the entire project, you can recreate the entire project with your own name because now your understanding is very clear, right? So do not change name while you are performing lab first time. Okay. So this is the name CloudFolks PHP app that we are going to use. Now, after providing name, here we have this option image tag mutability. Let's understand this with the mind map first, then I am going to explain you the proper use case. Control whether you can override existing tags. Mutable, you can push again using same tag. For example, latest. And immutable, once you push a tag, it can be overwritten. Let me explain it. See. Why we are creating this ECR image, ECR repository? Because we want to push this image, right? So in this step, let's say that we are creating repository. Now, in the next step, we have this image that we are going to push. Now, when you are going to push this image, let's say that we are pushing this image first time, okay, we have to add tag. For example, right now, I am going to give tag. Let's say that latest. Okay. So I just push the image first time with the tag latest. Okay, ECR registry is there. There is one image with the tag latest. Now, as you know that in today's era, we have to add new features into the app. We have to update the application. Now, let's say that you want to update your application. Now, if you want to update the application, you have to change code. Then you are going to pull this code from Docker Hub to the build machine. Then you will recreate image. Right, recreate image. Now this time this image is updated. Okay, new image, recreated image, updated image. Now once you have this new image, you have to push this again second time. Right, second time you are going to push this. Again, when you are going to push this image, you have to provide tag. Now first time tag was latest. Again, you are going to set same tag like latest, second time as well. Now, if you are going to push same image, like updated image, second time with the same tag, it is going to override this tag. Because first time you have this latest tag, second time you have same tag, so it is going to override this. Right? So, do you want to allow override? If mutable is there, means if you have this option selected, means you can push again using same tag, means it is going to override the tag. Immutable will not allow you. Let's say that first time I have tag latest, second time if I am going to push image with the same tag, it will not allow me. I have to make changes. Let's say that latest 1 or something. Alright. Now, mutable is actually dangerous. Why?
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.